Hello, Honors World History. Today we're going to be looking at the introduction to the unit, or to the entire course if we're being more accurate. This is going to be very different than any Honors World History you've ever heard of, or any world history for that matter. The district decided that we were going to participate in the Big History Project this year. And the Big History Project is a really interesting way of looking at history. It combines science and math and language arts and history and kind of brings the whole puzzle together. I love the interdisciplinary factor of it. I spent days of my life, more than days, combing through all the curriculum. And I am so excited to be teaching this year. It's such a unique opportunity for you guys to be able to really understand the big picture and the connections between history and science. They're very similar, and I've always enjoyed science. I've never been that great at it. I've tried my whole life. Honors Chem and I, nemesis, right? But I love it. Everything about it is such a great course. I think you're going to enjoy it too. So welcome to the Big History Project. I'm going to talk to you just a little bit about what it's about, and then we're going to move on to our first lessons, okay? So the Big History is a course that tells the story of the universe, from the Big Bang to the present, which means we are going to be looking at billions of years of history. Because telling the story of the universe covers so much time and so many topics, this class will require a different approach than other courses that you've done before. Big History incorporates cross-curricular lessons that looks at science and history simultaneously, and I really just can't wait. I'm serious to get started on this with you. We have very different learning outcomes than what we probably have seen before in other history courses. So they're science-driven for now because we're at the very beginning of the universe. That's very scientific, but I promise we'll be looking at history throughout the course, okay? We also have that Unit 1 driving question. Why do we look at things from far away and close up? So what's the purpose in doing that, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm really excited. I'm very accessible as a teacher. I'm now full-time online with the Deer Valley Online Learning Program, so this is my full-time job. Please head on over to the Canvas inbox system if you need anything from me, and I look forward to our journey together. Thanks, guys.